Today we're going to sing major scale patterns. We're going to go up the scale, take a breath, come back down, take another breath, and then go all the way up and down. I'm going to demonstrate on an ah vowel, but as you replay this video, you can experiment with different vowels. If you're a lower voice, you're going to be on this pitch, ah. If you're a higher voice, you'll start on this pitch, ah. Follow me. Ah. it. We went from the key of A flat major in whole steps, and we stopped on the key of E major. That compass, or the range between high and low notes, is about as much as I will do with my students in a voice lesson. More advanced students will benefit from not skipping whole steps, but doing all the half steps and going much higher and lower depending on the specific needs of your voice type. But that should be enough to get you going. Hope this helps.